I just made an almond milk chia pudding with Cracker Jack topping. Here's how. I chopped up 2 tablespoons of raw almonds and added 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. Place it on your stovetop's lowest setting and you can already see it starting to caramelize. Now hold it right there. That's the part when you want to add not even a full turn, but just like a little crack of pink Himalayan salt. That gives it that authentic Cracker Jack flavor. Now that your almonds are all candy coated, you can toss them to the side for cooling and get ready for topping. They look so crunchy and delicious. I wanted strawberries, but they went bad in the fridge, so I made this pudding about 3 days ago, so now, oh my gosh, it is perfectly creamy, cool, and delicious. All of the seeds are just like little bubbles that just explode. Hit it with some of that Cracker Jack. Oh my gosh, it tastes just like Cracker Jack. And the best part is I don't have to worry about those pesky kernels getting in my teeth. A boatload of nutritional benefits and a great snack for any time of day or night.